Dear students, welcome back to the Mathematics channel. Before we start, please get ready with your pencil, eraser, ruler and textbook to see. No toys and games for a little while as you need to concentrate with my lovely video.
What are we going to learn today?
Today, I'm going to remind you how to do subtraction with 3-digit numbers, on revising the concept of borrowing, how to regroup the numbers. Secondly, we will do the classwork about the fruit shop and the lunch boxes in the textbook. Lastly, we will end with homework. Now, let's get started!
We are ready, yay!
Subtraction with borrowing. Let's revise on the subtraction golden rules. First, we must use a larger number to minus the smaller number, as 67 is a larger number is placed on the top. Second, we subtract from the units place from right to left. The top number 7 is more on top, so no need to stop. 7 minus 4 is 3. And in tens place now, 6 minus nothing is 6. So the answer is 63. More on top, no need to stop. More on top, no need to stop.
Doraemon, help! I don't know how to do borrowing.
Okay, let me find some tea to help you. Here you go, the mathematics brain. As you know, we use larger number to put on top, and we subtract from the units.
Oh no, but the number 8 in the bottom is more than 3.
No worries, we go next door to the tens place and get 10 more. 50 become 40, 5 become 4, and 3 become, we get 10 more, so become 13. 13 minus 8 is 5, and in tens place, 4 minus nothing is 4. Remember, more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. So when doing subtraction, no matter in the units place, tens place or hundredths place, when there is more on top, no need to stop, we can subtract directly. However, when there's more on the floor, we need to stop, go next door and get 10 more. Answer the question correctly and defeat the monster.
Tell me the answer now. What is the answer for 629 minus 172?
Oh, the monster is so scary.
Oh no, let's record the subtraction rule and do the calculation.
Okay, 629 means 600 plus 20 plus 9. And 172 means 100 plus 70 plus 2, right? So we subtract from units place. So 9 minus 2 is 7. More on top, no need to stop. After minus the units place, we go to the tens place. Oops! This time more on the floor. We need to go to next door. As it happens in the tens place this time, we need to go to next door, the hundredths place, borrow 100 more. That's why 600 become 500 as we borrow 2 the tens place, and 2 become 120. So we write down 12 in tens place and 5 in hundredths place. So in the tens place, 12 minus 7 is 5. On the floor, go to next door, get 10 more.
Lastly, let's go to your hundredths place. 5 minus 1 is 4, so the answer is 457.
Thanks for your help. We got the correct answer and defeat the monster.
Now, Please turn to your book, page 31. We do the word problem together. Look at question 3. There are 308 oranges in Mary Fruit's shop. 81 oranges were sold in the morning, and 117 were sold in the afternoon. How many oranges are left? Now let's look at question 3 together. How many oranges are left? Could you find the keyword for me? Yes, the keyword is left. It means originally we have 308 oranges in the fruit shop, but later we sold 81 in the morning and 117 in the afternoon. We want to know how many oranges are left. So it is subtraction. Second step, after finding the keyword, we find the useful numbers. We have 308 is the largest number from the question. Yes, because originally we have 308 oranges. And then we need to minus 81 is the oranges we sold in the morning, and minus 117 the oranges we sold in the afternoon, and we can find out how many oranges are left. Now let's look at the column form. 308 minus 81. So we do it from units place. So 8 minus 1. More on top, no need to stop. So just 8 minus 1 is 7. Write down 7 in the units place. Okay, look at the tens place now. 0 minus 8. More on the floor. Go to next door. Get 10 more. Okay, so we go to the hundreds place, the 300. We borrow 100. So 3 become 2 and 0 get 10 more. So 0 become 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2. And in the hundreds place, only 2 is left, so 200. Now pause the video and finish the following answers by yourself first. After you finish, play the video and check the answers. Okay, so let's continue. 227 minus 117. The answer is 110. Easy to calculate. Now we just simply copy the answers from the column form to the horizontal form. That's all. But be careful, copy the correct answer for me. Last, complete your answer with an answering sentence. It's very important. So 110 oranges are left. This is a subtraction problem. When we check the answer, we use the inverse way, which is the addition, the plus, to check our answer. So we firstly put down our answer is 110 plus the smaller numbers in the horizontal form is 81 and 117. After adding them together, it is 308, which is equal to the largest number in the horizontal form, 308. It means our answer 110 is correct. No eating during lesson. Ian, come with me after lesson. Others, pause this video and try to do the question 4 by yourself now. Let's check the answer now. There were 452 apples in Mary Fruit's shop. 105 apples were sold in the morning, and 164 were sold in the afternoon. How many apples are left? So originally we have 452 apples, and then after minus the apples sold in the morning and in the afternoon, we can find out how many apples are left. Let's look at the column form first. Let's try minus it from the units. So 2 minus 5, oh, more on the floor. So go to next door, go to the tens place this time. 50 become 40, so 5 become 4, and 2 become 12 as we borrow 10. So 12 minus 5 is 7, 4 minus 0 is 4, and 4 minus 1 is 3. After that, 347 minus 164, the answer is 183. I hope you get the correct answer. 183 apples are left. After checking the answer, we got the answer is 452. Yes, it is same with the largest number in the horizontal form, so we are correct. Our answer. There are 4 kinds of lunch boxes. Now we are going to compare different number of the lunch boxes. Question 1. There are how many more boxes of spaghetti with minced pork than rice with curry beef? Comparing the number between 2 lunch boxes, so we use subtraction. I'll pause the video and try to do it by yourself first. First, we subtract the digits in the units place. Oh, more on the floor. Oh, we need to go to next door is the tens place. Borrow 10 more. So 2 in the tens place become 1 as we borrow 10 to the units place. Units place 4 become 14. So in the units, 14 minus 8 is 6. After the units, subtract the digits in the tens. Oops, it's more on the floor again. 3 is more on the floor. But this time the next door is a hundredths place. So 3 in the hundredths place becomes 2 and 1 in the tens place becomes 11. So 11 minus 3 is 8. Finally subtract the digits in the hundredths place. 2 minus 1 is 1. So there are 186 more boxes of spaghetti with minced pork than rice with curry beef. Now pause your video again and complete question 2 to 3. Play the video again when you are ready to check your answer. Let's check the answer now. Question 2. Comparing the number of boxes of rice with pork than rice with curry beef. So we use the larger number is 216, the rice with pork, to minus the rice with curry beef, 138. Look at the column form downstairs. 6 and 8, units place. Oh, it is more on the floor, so we go to next door in the tens place and get 10 more. Now look at the green color. 0 minus 3 is more on the floor again, so we go to next door the hundredths place, borrow 10 more again. So at the end, look at the yellow. In the hundredths place, 1 minus 1 is nothing, so we don't need to write anything there. Answer is 78. 78 more boxes of rice with pork than rice with curry beef. To check the answer, we use our own answer. 78 plus the smaller number in the horizontal form is 138. So 78 plus 138. Oh, it is 216, which is equal to the larger number in the horizontal form. Great, our answer is correct. For question 3, we compare the number between the boxes of rice with fish fillet than the rice with pork. And finally, we get the answer should be 400 minus 216 is 184. For checking the answer, we use our own answer is 184 plus the smaller number. You see, it's 216. So 184 plus 216 equals 400, which is equal to the larger number in the horizontal form. Today we learn to do the subtraction with the 3-digit numbers with borrowing, or we call it regrouping. So when the digit in the units place is not large enough for subtraction, we borrow 1 from the tens place. Next door, go to next door. When the digit in the tens place is not large enough for subtraction, we go next door, borrow 1 from the hundredths place. While we are doing the word problem, remember 3 steps. First, write down a horizontal form, and second, we calculate in a column form. After that, we copy the answer back to the horizontal form and finish with third, the answering sentence. In the answering sentence, we must see the answer, like in this example, it will be 183, and the units is apples here. So the homework for today is textbook page 31, class study. Remember, upload it to the OneNote after you finish. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Goodbye! And complete your homework now.